what's up, Meghalaya, Shillong, Khasi people, and my brothers and sisters who are watching here. So, your African boy back again. And today we have Oh Rossy. Oh Rossy, guys. So, that is jingrwai, naka, phlim, Romeo and Rossy. Romeo and Rossy. Wow. This looks so interesting, guys. So, we are going to check out. And kindly, if you're a big fan of those musicians here, show some love, support me also, subscribe to my channel, and you can support them, guys, for showing us Romeo and Rossy. Let's do it without wasting time. Let's start. This looks so fun, guys. I'm expecting to wow. Ladies here, ladies things here. Show us, ladies. This lady I saw her in some music video before, but I don't remember. Oh Rossy, you made everyone drunk. Oh Rossy. Mr. Shillong, we'll check you next time. Next time we're reacting to Mr. Shillong, okay? Now this is Oh Rossy. Amazing, guys. This is kind of a team music video, but by this lady only. And we saw amazing team here showing like, yeah, two team, guys. It was nice, but it would be more amazing if they will be dancing together. Like, yeah, dancing together, combine it with their boys and the ladies, it will be more fun, guys. But anyway, maybe This is their plan. Anyhow, it is not that bad. It's amazing. And yeah, I just want to know, like, there is no subtitle here. I just want to know. I can guess the song is mostly because as in my previous video, I say most of the Khasi song, 80%, 70 to 80, used to be about the love. They used to sing always about the love and the romance. So I'm pretty sure this song is about love and romance since there is no subtitle is there, and I can't get what they are singing about. But when coming about the rating the music, yeah, she's good in singing, guys. Her sound, she's also sound good, and the team is also well, guys. I love it. The beat and music is nice. Just tell me what is the music story about. Love from Africa, guys. Kindly don't forget support, subscribe, guys, and stay tuned for our upcoming reaction video. Love you all. God bless you all.